All right, skincare lovers, I have a new box just for you. This new box from Allure Beauty Box features the best of K-beauty items. So inside there are 10 beauty items that Allure has curated for us in this limited edition box. Today, we're not only going to be doing an unboxing, but I also will be doing a try-on video along with this box. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna tell you my thoughts on the products. We're gonna try them. We're just gonna do everything today. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel as always. Today we're doing a limited edition unboxing from Allure Beauty. Now Allure Beauty is one of my personal favorite subscription boxes. I have had that box for years now, and Allure recently has been coming out with limited edition boxes that are one-time purchases. Now the great thing is you do not have to be a member to their subscription box in order to purchase this. If you are a member, you're gonna get a discount off of this box. So I do recommend it because it is a better deal. The math is just so much better if you're a member. But like I said, you don't have to be in order to purchase this. So this box is called the Ultimate K-Beauty Edit. So this is a very large skincare box that's going to feature all K-Beauty products inside. So this is your first snapshot of everything that we're gonna take a look at today. But did you notice that it's worth over $200? If you would like to purchase this box, I will be posting a link down below for you guys. If you are not an Allure member currently, you would be able to purchase this box for $129. Now there is free shipping on that, but if you would like to become an Allure Beauty Box member, meaning you purchase their subscription box, you can actually receive a discount and pay only $79 for this. Now, as it stands right now in the month of July, I would encourage you to sign up for that subscription box. It's only $15 this month for July. If you do that and purchase the subscription at $15 for this month, you'll be able to purchase this limited edition box for only $79. So the price of those two boxes together is still cheaper than if you were to pay $129 as a non-member. So that is why I say it is a much better deal. You can sign up just for 1 month with the subscription box, and then if you'd like to skip or change it, you can later. But then you'd be able to get this box at a bigger discount. And let me tell you, you guys, there's a lot of products in here, and it's full-size products too. So first item inside of this box is from April Skin. Now this brand has been around for quite a while. They actually have several items that are best-selling products. This one is their Hydro Melt Cleansing Balm. It is a makeup remover, and this product is amazing, you guys. So like I mentioned earlier, this is a try-on video, and I did try on this cleansing balm. I made sure to have on my full filming makeup. So what I have on is exactly what I'm wearing right now, obviously different shades for my eyeshadow, but I really wanted to put this to the test and remove as much makeup as possible. So this makeup balm is very gentle. That is one thing I will tell you for my review is this is so soft. It's very gentle. You're not going to notice that it's stripping your skin, and in fact, I felt like my skin was softer after using it. And another reason why I loved this product so much was not only did it remove my makeup and my skin felt really amazing afterwards, it smells like mangoes. It is the best scent I have ever smelled with a cleanser. So it also kind of gives me the tropical vibes with their packaging. So this full-size product is amazing. I highly recommend it. Not only do I love it in this box, but I recommend it even outside of this box. It was just a great cleanser at removing everything it needed to do. I mean, all in all, you guys, I have nothing but good things to say about this product. Next up, inside of this K-Beauty box, you will receive a full-size cleanser. This is coming from a brand called Lacto, and it is their Collagen Clear 2.0. Now, this cleanser is a little bit different than the one that I just showed you. This is more of a lotion consistency. The previous one that I mentioned from April Skin is a balmy consistency. So it tends to melt onto your skin and help melt away makeup, versus this lotion will lather up to more of like a foamy texture. Now, I don't feel like this will give you a lot of foam. However, it does give you a really great lather. So if you like something that's going to be a very soft lotion formula, this might be a great product for you. The lather was great. I did feel like it did an amazing job of cleansing my skin. I also felt like it was a little bit brighter after using this product as well. However, the scent on the April Skin Cleanser is so good that I preferred it over this one. And it's only because this one does not have any sort of smell to it at all. So this is very clean. It is fragrance free. It's cruelty free as well. But the April Skin and the mangoes, like, I just couldn't say no to that, you guys. The mangoes were so yummy. So honestly, great cleansers all in all. It's just that one little thing that I prefer about the other one. The next item inside of your box will be a full-size toner. This is from a brand called Anua. Now, I had not tried this toner prior, but I do like that you receive a lot in here. So very large bottles inside of this box. This one is also made with recycled packaging and soy ink on it. And they do have an expiration date of 2026. So this toner, it is really good at cleaning out your pores and helping to minimize the look of them. So all I do is I apply this to a cotton pad and then I will rub this all over my face. I liked that this one was fragrance free. It was very cooling, and I did find that it did a really nice job of cleaning up those pores. And like I said, cleaning everything out, like excess oils, any leftover makeup that might be trapped in there. It did a really great job of removing all of that. Another amazing product in this box is from Medicube. Now, these are pads that are infused with a toner. So they're exfoliating pads, and they're gonna do the same thing of cleaning out your pores, minimizing the look, but they also have an exfoliating texture to break down any dead skin cells that you might have. I loved these. This I will use just as much. Like, it was so good, I was like, I will buy this myself because they're really nice. So this is their Zero Pore Pad 2.0. This is a full-size box that you will receive in the Allure box. And these pads will help to remove residue and gunk from your skin and your pores, but it's also going to give you hydration after using this product. It's also a very large jar, so you have lots of pads in here, which I really appreciate as well. And then inside of your box, you're going to have a pair of tweezers that you can actually use to pull out one at a time. There's also going to be a sealed inner lid that you're going to take off to make sure all of that moisture stays inside with those pads. So you can kind of see them there, that they've got that exfoliating texture on them. This is another one that I recommend even outside of this box. If you're looking for an exfoliating pad that has a toner built in, I do love this one. And like I said, I will be rebuying this. There's also going to be a full-size product in here from Isntree. This is going to be a clear liquid. It's called the Chestnut BHA 2%. So this is going to be that beta hydroxy acid. Again, it will help to break down any texture. It's also going to help to clean your skin even further. Really great product if you are looking at fighting excess oils or acne or anything like that. This one will also even out your skin's tone, so that way everything will be a little bit more uniform. So this is what it will look like here in the packaging. The expiration date on this one is 2026 as well. Now this, again, I just applied it onto a cotton pad and was able to rub this on. I didn't notice anything right away with this. I do think this is going to be a product that you need to use several times for long-term results. However, I did find that it was a very nice formula. It wasn't tacky, it wasn't sticky, it went down really well. There wasn't a smell to this either, so it was a fragrance-free product. If you suffer from any sort of redness or irritation, there is an essence included in this box as well. This one's called the Mugwort Essence. Now, I had never heard of a mugwort before. This was the first time that I'd been introduced into this ingredient, but this is a very popular ingredient in the Kahi beauty products. So this one is a pure form of it, and they mention that it is all vegan. It is a clean beauty product, and it's also cruelty-free. This is what that essence will look like. And all you're going to do is take a couple of drops, put it onto a cotton pad, and you're actually going to pat this on all over. They don't want you to rub this in. It is just going to be a pat process. So this will help to calm down, like I said, any irritation, any redness that you might have, and really help to even out your skin's tone. This product only has one ingredient in it, so that is why it is an all clean beauty product. It comes from a very specific place in Korea. They actually give you a map on the side of the packaging that shows you where this is at, but this is a 100% pure form of that mugwort. And of course, we're not going to forget about the eye area. This next product is an eye cream that has retinol infused into it. So this is their advanced triple action eye cream. Now this brand is called Some by Me, and they have a few different variations or levels of this product. This one is their most intense product. So it's a level 3. They recommend on the box to try a little bit of this product out on the inner corner of your elbow. So that is what I did, is I put some on that skin right in that area of my elbow just to see if there was going to be a reaction or not with it. I let it sit there for some time. I saw no reaction whatsoever. There was no burning, no itching, no redness. The only reason why you want to check this is because retinol can be an intense ingredient. Sometimes you will receive a reaction from that ingredient, and that's why they want you to try it out first somewhere that's not on your face. But because I didn't have any sort of reaction to that, I went ahead and applied it around my eye area. So I use this all along the under eye and on the sides. This will help to take down fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, help to tighten everything up in that area. The next item inside of our box today is the Rich Moist Soothing Cream. This is a gentle and soothing cream, and it has a non-greasy finish. This moisturizer comes in a fairly large tube like this, and because this is a really rich hydrating cream, I did find that you didn't need a lot of this. Now, if you have ultra dry skin, you might need to use more product than I did. I have an oily skin type, and so therefore I didn't need to use as much. This is definitely a soft luxury cream. It is so creamy. It went on very smoothly, and my skin did feel noticeably soft afterwards. This moisturizer I will continue to use outside of this box because I noticed a massive difference with it. So again, this is one that I recommend even outside of this box, that if you're ever looking for a moisturizer that is more of a cream formula that is going to give you lots of hydration, I recommend this product. This next product was super unique. Now, I've never tried this product out before or anything like it. So I decided, okay, I'm going to try it out. We're going to see how these products work. This one is from Kahi, and it is a Wrinkle Bounce Multi-Balm. So it is a stick. It's very similar to a lip balm where it is a balmy consistency, but it will be a larger tube than that. And what you do is you apply this product to certain areas on your face if you want to have more of a brilliance or shine there. So typically you want to have some illumination on the middle of your forehead in here and underneath that eye area to give you kind of that fresh wake up look. The other areas you could apply a little bit of a dewiness to, or a little bit of that glow, could be along that cheekbone line in here. You could also do a little bit right above your eyebrow. So just to give you kind of that dewy effect. This product is intense. So go light-handed with it. I had no idea what I was in for. So like I said, it is going to be a balmy consistency. You just rub this on wherever it is that you would like to have some shine or have some dewy glow. It does an amazing job. It absolutely works. For myself, I'm not sure if I'm in love with this look. Normally I go with a matte look, you guys. So I'm being completely honest with you. It does work. It does give you a brilliant, dewy look. And I think this is going to be perfect for some people that love that look. Myself loving an all matte look, I was like, oh my goodness, my face is shiny. But I can confirm it 100% works. It will give you that look if that is what you're trying to achieve. Last item inside of our K Beauty box today will be a calming mask. Now this mask is going to feature that special ingredient that we saw earlier. This is the Mugwort Calming Clay Mask. So not only will this mask help to detox your skin by removing those impurities out of it, it's also going to help to calm your skin down. So if you have any discoloration or redness or irritation, this will calm all of that down and even out that skin texture and tone and those colors as well. So it does mention that this is also going to control oils. So if you, like me, have excess oils, this will help to even it all out. Clay is a great natural ingredient at drying that out. So this is what it will look like here inside of the tube. You can actually see this green mask here as well. This is a very gentle mask, so I liked that it was very nice on. It felt very smooth, and it was a very simple process of just applying this on, letting it sit for about 10 minutes, and then just rinsing and wiping it away. So that is everything inside of the limited edition K Beauty Box from Allure. Again, if you are interested in purchasing this box, it is available right now for purchase. If you're an existing member to their Allure subscription box, you can buy this entire box with 10 full-size items inside of it for $79. If you are not a member, you can still purchase this. However, it would be at the $129 price point. But like I said earlier, if you just sign up for the Allure box at $15, much better deal. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!